To subscribe is free.
The subscribe yet.
In this time, only Jah can cover you. In this time, only Jah can guide you. In this time, only Jah can cover you. You are who you are, appreciate it. Don't be ungrateful trying to be somebody else. Don't forget your powers from deep within. The source is from your heart, that's where it all begins. Jah can cover you. In this time, only Jah can guide you. In this time, only Jah can cover you. Don't you stress it, as you know, say Jah Jah cover you. Just strive for the best, cause Jah Jah guide you. Jah will never leave you by the roadside. It's up to you. We're stepping on this battlefield life has brought along. Just keep fighting on, yeah. Jah alone is say, me now worry, cause me can pray. We face haters every day, but I don't care what they say, what they say. In this time, only Jah can cover you. In this time, only Jah can guide you. In this time, only Jah can cover you. This time only Jah can cover you. In this time only Jah can guide you. In this time only Jah can cover you. Don't chase out yourself. Just believe and you let
What? I'm going to pay for it. No me I run this, so when they ask me to pay for it.
That no have nothing to do with it.
So?
You know say when you take out that now, the profit go drop down. So anything you take out of the shop, you have to pay a fee, because money we have to use and build up this. I don't want none.
Well,
Give
keep
me
by your
money
mouth,
for...
you chat
Oh,
too
but
much.
I told them
You chat too much.
that's
keep by your
$300.
mouth. And that can't take it from me.
$300. I lose, I think again,
I don't give a flying shit. I don't respond, and me I run this. Not gonna watch me
that
I
no
take.
have nothing to do with
Don't
me
watch
and
me
you
I
running
take.
this.
Oh, to this a girl up. Besides, me I really
Business are business. You can't mix business.
Well,
and
put the
pleasure.
pleasure before the business now, because me have to me clear my meds right now. So just stop nice, chat too much.
That's why me I can't agree now.
No business.
Because you don't know if you deal with business.
Marco, where you coming here for? Where you coming here for, girl? The girl just come here right now and just, girl, if you know where you know, just go away there. Because right now you just sick my stomach.
Me sick your stomach. Me sick your stomach for you tell you the truth. And that we don't know, you know. When people are telling the truth, you don't feel hurt about the whole situation.
Girl, I come like a demons in my life, you. Every turn me turn on you, me see.
And you're a weapon of farm against the
You're
business.
lucky. You're lucky. Anyways, I talk about the pay, girl. And I'm come on. And she said, okay, so right now, okay, so want some more liquor. So, what you plan for do?
I come for packing in the shop, but I see ya so much.
So, am I smoking have to do with America?
No, not to do with me, you know. But guess what? You know, I think say if we go in a little round robin thing, we are go round. You listen to me and I listen to me because you come like you enjoy smoking more than me I talk to you right
I mean,
now.
I listen to America. No, me ears.
Alright, me feel like if we go in a little round robin thing, we are go round now. But I can't manage just standing up, so I think more. I think me better interested.
So, give me the money, make me go and drink you out. You deaf? Give me the money, make me go and drink you out. Because remember, you know, you see, round robin is a thing where, you see, when I free time, we just did it. And then come, and then play. And we make back a profit. You see, so give me the money, let me go and drink you out.
That's all the thing about enjoyment.
Girl, I say you can't stand up. So make me go, make me go and go deal
And
with
when
it.
you go and drink out to one of that the money then, suppose the amount of people where if you go now, go support them and them not come back and support you and you lose, how the part they go?
Girl, they just say you dey chat foolishness. I think that all the days of my life I go drink and smoke. How will they call me?
No.
So like they call me rum stacky, you know. Watch your mouth, you know, sister. Because I don't like when they behave, you know.
We can't just think to enjoy ourselves. We have to think about to build the business more further. Because we not stuck a shop in a
yes, me know.
on this, you know.
When me I enjoy for myself, I enjoy myself with you.
Yeah,
Because you don't know if you hold on grounds. First thing, you not smoke, you not drink.
Everybody different. Everybody different.
How different they can be? Eh?
Listen to me.
You're only sneaking. You're sneaking. Anyways, here I go now. I can't help you pack out. Cause
Guess so.
listen. I see if you go deal with in the town. Understand? But I'm going to take a visa.
No, you can't get nothing right now. Because guess what? You see up there so now, we have to go restock up this one. And guess what? Money have to go down a bank. And what you up and down, me have to do today now. Me have to restock, take down your empties them, and then go a bank. You can't help me out, do look at in the shop.
When I hear me say, when I come back, me help you. You see, in the cousin them where I left, when me come back, me pat them out. Because I know you see fear foot not so right it. So you look at them where I left, when me come back, me pat them out. You understand? So just do it top shelf. So forward.
You put no right today, I'm going to do top shelf.
So forward. Oh, guess what? Maybe like my weapon and farm against me, no. I want this thing. One shop, you see.
Jesus, Pinky, I tell me, say, come back in our shop again, and take out something.
You couldn't even allow me to drink drinks.
Craving this man. No, man, put it back, man. Put it back.
What they do, girl? Why you do me thirsty?
So, man, every time you come in our shop, come take out to send them this, no right, you
Me
know?
thirsty, girl.
You know, see, I run down business, then I see me enough for the go on in our shop, girl.
It's good for your shop, that's all I know.
We should try to not drink it. God, no.
Boy! Get a cup. You chat too much.
Me no want no cup. Listen to me. Me never get free guy bank, so you have to go. No, I'm not bad. Me go good on day. But me can't leave you in the shop. Me go lock up the shop and good on day.
Lock up the shop and send me.
No, me we go. But come. This up. You're trying to stay in the shop. Come no man. Me have whole heap of things to do with. Me no want you in the shop.
Girl, go on and
No, you can't leave you in the shop.
You're going to lose be a customer if you lock up the
It's
shop.
better me lose be a customer than me and somebody in the shop and me a multi shop. It better me lose the customer.
You don't say come like a friend Friday over the shop.
Yeah, me no business where you want.
Yeah, new coolie.
Every local mall, everything you drink out in the shop, I want profit gone down the gym.
You want to go on there, you have to get back craving, you know.
Alright, I top sell it.
You have to get back craving, you because I don't understand what kind of business this we are running. I buy my craving and then put on and you sell them out. Right? You sell them out. And I put one pack this for myself and I all come back and see two in there. Eh? So you sell out for me and I take your money.
Thank you, something
Alright.
wonder if you're alright. You're not ready for this, you know?
Lock up your shop and go on with your business.
But me, I tell you. Your time, I'm going. And I'm not take up your extra key. As a matter of fact, me, I'm going to hide it.
We don't put that on for a long time. So you lock your shop a waste of time.
Wait, hey. Mama, what, you good? Jesus Christ.
What you
I
want?
like it.
I said, you want that shop?
Yeah, man, same thing, man. But
What you want? Talk fast, can't go with me.
I don't know if you can. We actually want a half flask. See? More half flask and
15 bills.
what?
15 bills. One wagon.
That's good, man. I want boom.
Take out the money. Can one thing more.
The thing is this. You see, wait. I think it.
Pinky there on there, so
I
you
know.
know what? Just stop me up somewhere for coming out time for waste right
But
now.
if you don't have time for waste, just go on and make Pinky serve me, then Pinky can serve me.
No, you're mad.
Eh?
2 thief can't there now.
Who you call thief? Yo, you see, disrespect me coming here for right now. Me come and shop and you come disrespect me, you.
Listen to me.
Eh?
What you want? Let me go gear it and lock up my shop and go back.
So go see them and don't tell us them want a hot
Give
water.
me the money.
Listen, alright, hear me, see?
Talk fast and slap it up.
Me go start out the money. But me have to go down to start the money. Well, you hear me, I said the money, I have to build a vibe. No, me have to build a vibe first. Mama, just listen to me, I say now. Just hear me, I say. You ever come in here and hear some own money? Talk true. You ever hear me own money?
You don't know if I want money because Pinky just drink as she like. So when you come in and say something, just give you as you like. And you're not to pay for nothing. So you know, probably all over $1 million in the Come talk fast. Wait.
Remember say me your brother-in-law, you know?
How that affect
I
me?
mean, me brother-in-law. You have to trust your brother-in-law. Look how long me and Pinky are work. You know, so Pinky really and truly, she not know her brain kind of go and come sometime, and the only thing will keep her sane is because, you know, a little orange juice.
Right now, you're raising too much. I can't feel just come out and
Me I said to you is this. Just when we go down in town, we get back a thing, because I have a ticket me for college. But the shop, when we collect the money, right up there, the shop when lock. So that I think. Rose the shop lock. Betty shop lock. So me have to just say me a go down in that town. Me never want, eh?
the shop is locked.
Me never want to go in that town, that's all.
Go on in that town.
What make you say this against me? Eh? I because you don't like to drink rum. And I'm making like to drink.
And I'm all run down your shop.
Miss.
And every time people have to bring up back your shop, you come in here, you drink it, you name out it, you smoke it. Hello, come.
When last I was nice.
Too much.
When last I was nice little drinks, eh? A nice little special and a school in your mind. And that's your problem,
special.
eh? And the next thing too, you see because me know say I get like a problem I had there, you know. Me know you don't get no sort out in a long time and you know things kind of not really work out the way. And them the things why you like yourself, you know? Not telling you living truth.
Why me not like you? Because you chat like you're
Just give me this something, please. Let me go down to me and I come back and pay you.
the fish shop.
And that's my birthday, them not come and shop, you know. And that's my birthday, them say they not come and shop and pay you. You not lose money because you don't have personality. And that me I tell you, when me want to. And that's what you do that for me, hey. That's you. We not protect you again.
No business.
I want to see you. That's it, please. Okay, see you.
Go out. You don't reach it.
Touch your mind when you run down your things here before. When you come with empty and what go on?
No code, no. I tell you guys, let me show brother, and I tell you, yo, I say, yo, I like that girl, you know. How you do that? Eh? I tell you, America. Brother, me down there, I tell you one set. You set me free.
Well,
And you wanna tell me set?
so Pinky ain't down there?
No, Pinky not there, brother.
Yeah. Then you need, no, you always see your name public, the Big Dan.
Brother, me still never big down. What you talk about? Regardless.
Me go and shop a while ago and tell him say me want half glass of rum. And he want to the ginger beer say, me drink too much. And me never ask that. But maybe you feel one look up pain on my side, me just take you and done.
Brother, I don't know what I want. I don't want to. man, I kill my vibe, brother. You see Pink, you know, that's why when Pink in a bar, you know, people come to the bar and drink, you know. But me, I tell her, I say, if you stop me and sit and she can trust people. You understand? She gives the money. Get up your bumper, me talk to you, brother. You use the man, listen to me, I say, man. You want to attack about say, she not trust me. One day me can say, go because trust me.
Me?
Yeah.
One day I can go for you.
You can what?
I hit me there, I try remember.
Bro. I was gonna check Pinky. Me can't be alright, me can't be you. Money say she don't want to trust me, daddy. Me she don't want to trust.
Say, yeah, come with it.
This a boy, no? You know, if you know how long it take me go up the road and come back down.
Can't believe you're done fraud.
Huh?
I'm going to tell the boy them say you're done fraud.
You're mad, brother.
So,
Brother, look on him back there and me bring him on the place.
Yeah,
So
yeah,
go on like that.
alright, but-
Brother, I'm fit on fraud, brother. You can't do that. If you tell the boy them that bro, reputation done.
Then you're not done.
Hmm?
You're not done.
Alright, don't worry, man. Now one more bridge I'm gonna check. I'll check him and see what I'm going. You run off. My money not reach, you know. My money not reach it. Because I know me don't know what I'm going with a bank card. Mama tell me say, it thing sent to the card. And me I look on the card and I see nothing sent. I mean I say I don't know how to deal with things, but everything alright. Don't ever say me a fraud again, brother. Me I tell you that. I'm so far the room. See? So far the room. See? No move.
Nah move.
How you in there? Where you in there? Me look for you all long and can't find you. You look for me like say.
Where you looking for me last? Eh?
What mean?
You don't know say if me not there, I shop down and some me there.
So if I shop me come down and some no see you what you talk about.
Me ask you a question. You know, if me not up there, so no must see you some me there. So what happened?
Make me look like an idiot star.
You better make where you are come from. And that me want to ask you, so where you are come from. Differently from when I go up I shop where you are come from.
I'm going to check my virgin and I'm going to hold a reason with him because you know so we hold our vibes every day and talk and make plans.
You try and make sure say our bridge never link because if me instinct ever tell me say I don't have the girl go back.
You come back on the girl again?
You can't get me back this time when me left. Not even the pastor, the other man can save you. And when I call me people and ball to them, you can't go save you, so go ball to God. Alright, and me done talk.
So I never tell you something done with that.
Eh.
What you bring up every time for?
Me just a say.
You say what? You like how you I feel like say me a cheater. Me tell you say I mistake last time. Mistake. And that can't happen again. Believe that.
I can't again.
So I'm going to shop and I look for you, come on, build a vibes 90 here. I'm going to see you. Me look like an idiot in front of my friend. Come to my friend say, yo, I upper shop me I go and vibes. I feel right. And me a boast. We went there. Talk to me and tell me the truth, man.
Remember me there. I don't answer me come.
Oh, you idiot sister, me see up I shop them and then sister going to go and fool.
Hey, listen, you know. My idiot picture, but you don't call me there. Me calling me there. So what you say? Why am I act like a fool?
Me say, you know the reason why enough of we go up, go drink and enjoy ourselves and buy out the bar and trust out the bar anytime we feel like. Because our attitude stink. What if have our open shop I do? What have our open shop I do?
So we go trust a while ago.
Me not get through.
You go for trust.
Yeah, but me not get through.
So you don't know if you call me phone. How what happen?
Miss say me call your phone like say. Me feel like say me call it too much. Me ring him and I say when you're there, that's how me come in and feel so.
You know what say?
So you drink from you? So you drink from you?
Orange juice.
Orange juice?
Yeah, and buns, cigarette. You know what I'm saying?
We should have no reason.
Before me take you up, you know.
What?
Me know I see you ugly. But me never know I see you so you hard. Feel up on you. Make it screw up your face and I go and say ring. What make it go on so?
Me must say ugly to you.
What make it go on so?
So ugly square.
No ugliness not running off in my blood.
You feel so? That you say?
No ugliness not running in my blood.
No, me not.
Anyways, in a real life it's true.
What?
Me no like how my sister move.
No, that me tell you, man.
My sister move like some
Fool.
for true, brother. You get, yo, and that's why most of the people in now got for true. Say, you know what say? A girl say, want round robin and come up. And she can go make it. So, all I know she can go make it. So, me I say, girl, if you can't make it, give me the money, make me go drink you out down there.
So what she
You
say?
understand?
What is happening?
The girl start going like a fool. Like, I go drink the money. How you make my profit and she can't even go.
Hold on. She understand how round robin run. That's her next big thing. I idiot, you know.
She don't understand.
Because round robin that one thing when you have to constantly at this. It's like a partner. And that. It's nice. We go drink out.
Exactly.
Because we don't enjoy yourself every night.
See why I love her?
Eh?
Because they think like me. She don't have
Me
no
no stink
sense.
like boy a bump and
Me
I
never
walk
see
and
a
say,
stink
yes,
like
me
me.
think like you.
Stop
Boy
giving
more
it
bump
to
on
her.
right.
Nice. Stop giving it to her.
Don't
Me
think like
just think like
Me not like them talk there. Come on, be from money neither.
Alright, cut the foolishness.
Yes,
What?
ma'am.
Every man
Yes,
get up,
ma'am.
man. Get up.
No.
Get up. Oi.
Exactly.
You know say, and that's why me come now and so come me smell you come. Cause you see anyhow what it up this up now with big concrete house. You have to sit down in a chair.
I just don't like how you style me. I'm me love or I'm me love. Tell me. Because you make me feel like an idiot.
Me love her, but me love him money too. Me love him money too.
Me tell you so I soon get back my foot. That's because, you know, they went catch me the last time. And when they catch me now, it's like, I never really want to bother go certain place. Smell of me. Smell of me.
See a big man if you go and bet on that in a youth. Good man. So yo, watch out. This is a pre-sitting, you know. I wonder if you think like how me think.
Mr. Stop said think me not think.
Alright. I wonder
Thinking conversation.
I wonder if one run through my brain and run through fear brain, right?
Rum. We need rum.
Rum.
Mm-hmm.
I worry about rum. We have plan to do my sister something.
What you gonna do?
What do you think we can do?
You gonna beat them too?
What do you think we can do to get him out of the shop?
Alright, now I feel so we burn down the shop right now.
Yeah, man, you're sick in the head. That idiot.
Burn down the shop.
Hey, Lulu.
You know
When I burn down the shop, all make money. You look up, damn idiot.
But if it shop
Listen.
open, listen me I say. If it shop up now, not when I'm in a profit. Make it burn it down and make it left and
No,
lose everything I
no.
done.
We'll find a way of fight her out. Here we go now. Here we go now, you see. Boy, rob her. Tie him up. Tie him up and rob him. So. In that case now, should we praise her right then now? So that go and rob me and tie me up. Me just not have no interest in my shop again. How that sound?
That sound like you want to go to jail. That sound like you don't love me at all. You have a man and wait for you. You have a man and wait for you. On speed dial.
So you can't get somebody to do it.
No, you do this, but you know, take rum and money matter. And
No problem.
but suppose you take everything. What we gonna do?
Eh? No, we're not gonna take everything because we go 1 a week. 1 a week. Me know one on me. Have 1 a week. But me know one on me. I have to watch him. So you go hide up on a spot and I want to watch him. Every single thing in do. You watch him.
Alright, you are going to owe him some money.
What about your car?
So, you carry a backside.
You can drive a car and park up and watch him.
Park power show. Me not make nobody see my car on camera. You forget the camera out there?
Camera there we shop, yes, but I go park from down there so you're there shop and you drink something and go on like you're an idiot. Because that's how you go on now and drink it, you're like an idiot. So you go park your car down there so and you turn up over the next shop and you go watch how I go on and I go like an idiot, like a junk. Yes, so you go on like your business man. You're business man, you're not street smart neither.
Alright, you know say. Bridget, you know think about it, you have to go check. Me can't go check him. But if you check him now, he might say, boy, it's a fresh business card. Tell him I want money. And me want money, you know, he go and take the money what me owe him out of the money what he go thief.
So me have to check him.
I have to check him. You know who me talk about? You know remember thieving breads?
Yeah, that's why they set in foot so. Remember?
Remember. So you're checking?
Yeah, it's a must. You cannot go on too much now.
No, tell you, man.
Can't
You say me in a shop on me and say, you going to run with the shop and dash water for me?
Listen,
Dash water for me.
I lie to tell. And that's why I go get him out of the shop there. That's what upon my man.
I tell you.
Eh?
Mm-hmm. So let's do it.
So I tell you, look so easy tonight, bit. Alright. So go on now, exit yourself. Later.
Later, you forgot long now, but check him.
5 minutes. No, I'm gonna do it right now.
Baya, come.
No, listen. Not right now, you too stink.
Me a test and top them stink, girl. Girl, top some stink, me a stink. Me beard.
What now?
Huh?
What?
There.
What kind of problem you have now if you want to see me? You know me not turn table already, you know. So what's the problem? Purple talk good man.
I want to go on. I want to cut long story short. I want to work more to give it for me. You know.
What kind of word?
See, I want to shop around me and my sister.
Come closer to here, yes or no?
I want to shop around me and my sister. And right now, she not move good enough. So you are going on. I want you to tire up and robbers.
Right. You may have some bed up and look. Oh, you can't look at that bed up man. I tell that bed up man. Say because grab your sister and tie her up. I'm not going to do it, but listen now. That's right.
Remember say your teeth. And you're a robber and I want to know you know what to do. You know. Is that you take a pole and knock him more time up or something or you
I know what to do, man. I'm responsible.
Exactly.
Listen, I'm a thieving master. Any thieving I talk about, when I call thief, I call my name. You know you're talking.
Alright, Beno. You want to go on now? What I say go?
Well, we need rum and we need money. I'm after the funny spirit, I'm not going to do it. In a vibes. We can't just get up and go do it, so. You know?
Well, alright then. Yeah, man.
So which part of the shop there? Oh, me see again what go on?
You have a phone, right?
Phone? I don't have no phone. Come and give me number.
You have a phone, but you give me a number.
Let me give my number.
Anyways, you are going now. Me, I go carry go make a look from the shop.
Alright.
You understand? I'm going to make you see the creases and corners
But me can go through.
about it. Okay?
Yeah.
So, where you go there?
But me go there. I need to write up there somewhere.
Alright.
Write up my parking house up there.
So check here.
Alright. Hello?
Hello. Ay! You still not being a good front. This is a thing, Cassie, man. Go over. Say good. You know you still stink,
You
brother.
pay for money?
I mean, see me there. Clean and nice.
Cologne make people clean and nice.
Yo, me go
And
check
soap
him
and
out.
water.
Me go check him out.
No, I see. You still have my chain?
Check him out. Huh?
You still have my chain?
Yeah.
I'm ring them.
You know your watch.
Jesus Christ.
Anyway, check him out.
So inside about me?
No, sir.
So what I say?
I tell him what I go and want him to do. I tell him, say, yo, you go and check and show him all the place set up and sit like the creases and corners.
No, you can't do that.
What do you mean by it?
If you show me, you're going to do it again afterwards. You go do it continuously, no bother making you go by the shop. You understand?
True.
You still ain't no saying I hear, so this a man, I say I want to check him now. I've been checking him, you don't want. No, so I can't bother that. What we go to now is this.
What we do now is just, when the mission ready for deal with, we just carry him there. We just show him where he go.
just a trust your sister. So, like right now, I think about it and I say to myself, say, alright. I have to drink around if you think. You can't think. You can't go back shop with it.
Where you pan? Yo, listen man, right now I'm tired enough. Where you pan?
Rum.
Yeah, work with the plan and you talk about rum after our why problem.
Alright, you were going to your sister give money shop at night time?
Yes.
So she really like a bishop on the money?
Yes. Not really all like but some of it.
What if you tell your sister say if you taps put the money like shop? Anything can happen, better for you. When you tell him that no, he can't put the money. You know what is that man there? A professional yo, I'm not talking about you know, I just think tea for him breakfast, lunch and dinner. I never forget what I say. Eh? Talk back to your sister and tell them say if you tap keep money for your shop. Talk to her and reason that. Can you have a little sense sometime when you talk with consciousness. You understand?
So you can come out because somebody you look cousin might come down so come out. Go on now. Come now. You need to come out, the little cousin might see sunlight then come here. Come on.
You see anytime when you come up from my yard, me go run from up there. And that me I tell you. Me there sleep good and I try to resolve because I say
come out, you know so they're not going to come in. They know so they're not going to come in here. If we there in so come on, make them go and go and then I say go back on my yard now.
You want to
I want grave name I can't
so
give.
cut piece and give me piece.
Cut piece and give what?
What do you mean?
Come here cooked.
Who cooked? You are cooked. Come out what? Me nah come out here blinking place. You feel say me love down here. Down a stink.
Boy! What? No. No long me not see you. What can't go on for me now? Me don't want to hear about that, boy. Look how long. Now I'm back to school and tell me say, oh, me I can't pay me. Me not like what.
Now what do you come out of jail?
Me not care about jailhouse. I couldn't prison, I couldn't hell, I couldn't graveyard. Just pay me up.
Just pay the money. You go get the money, my
look how you're hard. You put on a crippled man like me, you can't pay me. Me a sending you out in your yard, you know. Feel like me a joke boy.
So wait, when you lock me up again, how you go get your money? How you go get your money?
Check it time. If I last year what me know, and I hide me a girl that cruise and call and taste me a duck and I hide me.
You see man, me a duck and I hide you.
Tell me, you say if you didn't see me a while ago, I run around the way upside, I don't see you, know. I show me can't walk good, you know. Me not run nobody, you know, brother. You too wicked.
Time talk now who you want for your business. Everybody here make a come out and look.
Yo, give me some man for money.
Let go.
What kind of cologne you use, man? What kind of perfume you use? It smells strong, man. What kind of way that have a sheen?
Handicap.
We are called handicap. Are you mum?
I'm a what? Minus.
If you lick the handicap, man, God will send you.
Senior. I will gear it back.
You know, say,
Go ramp with
this is what me I say now. You know, say, some business I go deal with your sister in a bank there. And your sister me go link, you know. Yeah, man.
You do business too?
Your sister.
You must have mad. You come like you sleep on the wrong side.
Yeah, man.
You need to go back and sleep on the side you sleep.
You know who you talking to? You know I'm a businessman. Look at this choperator and this gold. You see, all of my ring, you see here, it's business ring.
Business ring.
You think I'm an eyeglass, just you see me cripple so?
Eh?
You can't fool anybody, but I can't fool me.
This is what I'm saying now. Me I got bang with do some things to your sister and you know, and go by the print text and go by the Walmart and do some of the transaction for your sister, you know. You never know so when your sister want things to do with a mean call. Why first you know that? Huh? You look for me for 82 come like you scan me.
Okay, you look sick too much.
Me look sick too much.
You have vomit.
Girl, move for you, sir.
Don't, I'm the cat, don't let your breath.
Jesus Christ, help!
Yes.
God must sing.
Are you in God's sin? People like you, me don't know where God put you.
Come take me up. I see me can't even walk over there. Come,
That's why me don't want bad bless to take me.
come take me up, man.
Get up now.
Sorry, you show me down. Sorry, you show me down. Take me up.
Down.
Take me up.
Come, me all a sweat. Me not even like how you.
Huh? Huh?
Trainer with man. You hear me and that
My friend, you bust the door so far. If people can't have sleep in a peace again. What you say?
Me need to talk. Right now. Wake up.
Are you want to check him?
Me, so what?
You want to check him?
So what?
Me say if you know to check him.
Where's the now, girl? Because right now my good old sleep is short, you know. Where's the now?
I want some else. So. You know somebody right at all. You clean your somebody.
I must see your mouth and smell. Talk now.
I'm As it's a common place, it smell like you see a fly around you. Yeah, man, the closest thing to your nose is what? What the closest thing to your nose?
Your
Let
mouth.
me drop down.
I'm out.
Jesus Christ.
Babe, making up and come out of the place because I can't bother with certain circumstances.
You saw me hide away space and you have to come find
What you come here for? Eh? What you going like say?
Go on, man. Go on.
Oi!
That's where you can't get no man.
Welcome. Go on, boy.
Welcome back.
Welcome back, boy, and come out. Me need to talk.
Welcome.
What kind of idiot man that they have? What kind of skin out crutches that
Lock me door. You make people them on the store, rent or on the store. Where is they going now?
You this a piece of junk, yeah. Let me ask you a question. You look good thieving handicap boy. What kind of business you in, you know?
Which thief in handicap boy that? How we are chat? Been up here chat?
Yes.
Which business?
You tell me say, oh, you have to go bang for you.
Go bang for who?
You?
Not bright yourself with me. You know, say other type of problem I have with you now. Me tell you the problem I have with you now. Why is that? When we there at the shop, you look hear that brain and tell us that me a thief, and me a drink out, me a smoke out. Why is that your brain? So now you start put me low now. I say me and thiefing, bend up. Me and thiefing, bend up, Brad. I do business. What kind of business?
I am semi on the road and tell me say to have business for deal.
Listen to me.
What kind of business I have to deal with?
Listen to me. As a sister, I never know say I saw you up as a turn of your head. Me think I did the right thing. Me think I did the right. And next thing again, that's when I see my man have respect, put respect on his name. Not dash no dirty water for my man. You hear that? Don't dash no dirty water for my man again. You don't do that.
That sounds good for me. Man drink out.
It's not your shop alone.
Me know say enough for me shop.
So stop going like.
But you nyam out to sit them and that no good. And smoke out to sit them that good. Oh, that's the good. That all make we lose profit.
And this a come and me here.
Instead of we gain profit.
Hold on. And this a come down here so. You can tell me say. Me can't even stay in a little hide and seek house. So me as a come down here. Me can't even stay in a piece. I come in here so. go tell me about thief. I saw low you put me girl. I saw low you drop my
I
standard.
not just a standard, sister. I where the boy said to me on the road.
Why is he said to you? Tell him to not call me name. No mix me, no them that's in the car. Me not chat to him.
My sister, you know.
Alright, tell him to not mix me name again and do that again. Cause me lick him in my face.
You know you're a phone ring.
Me not have time for answer no phone. Tell him say me will lick him in me lick him in teeth and not tell him to finna ramp with me, you know.
Listen to me. Fix your problem.
And me will set his next hand and his next foot. One way. Tell him to finna ramp with me and make him go in a wheelchair. Listen to me, tell us. Just go on, me not fix nothing. Cause me not chat to no, bend up, man.
Are your business that you know, sister? I mean, no say. Just do what you have to do and tell a man if you not come and shop to come trust nothing because he not get anything. I mean dash water upon him over and over again if he come up they try to trust nothing. And your man the same thing. And clean up a place, man, it smell funky.
Like you're underneath. Are you coming out with the funky scent?
Watch out! Watch out!
Hey guys. It's alright. It's alright. You know, say, in a real life, me don't want to do this, you know. Me don't really want to do this to her, but the girl are going too much now. Me, I go teach her one lesson. Watch me and her. Rubbish. Nonsense.
Yeah, man. Yeah, what's up? Come up for the drink, yeah. When I beer drink, me a drink, you know what I'm
You don't know, say in real life, brother, a dog me have to run from and dog get hold on from one of my boat, them and pull off the road. You have to run left here and jump to a fence and something like that. Now I tell you even more.
You sure son of room boy go and drink and a can? You mean? So I'm gonna say from about 2-3 hours ago. Me a drop a sleep woman over there, so. Come here and say, boy, where they are? Eh?
What? Let me tell you what going on. You know, say in real life, though. I want to look up something to go, send me go shell. Because my belly there get hungry. I tell her, say, woman, give me ginger beer and I feel want to look on the side.
Oh, so.
These send me a go on the road, go look something. Consume or something. What you know?
Oh. Well,
Dog, this get around me till they hang on for my boat. Hang on for my boat and flash off with it. Well, if you run off and all the food me dash away, show you.
Are we doing a party?
No, Anthony.
I walk over to Pauline, and no dog around there, because I don't know what kind of story you bring come.
Then I try to tell us I'm grown now. I grow on the road now and go back up on the lady when named Kayan. Yes, man. I see fear two daughter them.
And you go drink from around there?
No, you no drink no rum. I pass me up and tell me feel and look up pain on my side.
Right now, I will think about me because I can't bother certain disrespect.
How you go? Because I go up and I see if I can lock me and look a bit and touch back here.
You may go link up, but I go back and I don't know, coffee.
So where back the room you see I go do?
Brother, I tell you, say the room up the road and the room just done a while ago, come here and look for me. That me just tell you a while ago. We don't understand English, brother. English is simple, you know. You have to complicate it with circumstances, you know. Because right now, brother, I don't know how that. Why you say a dog? Say dog see
I new style, man. I new style. How you say I go? I come with them.
No, me a bad man. Me a go up, man. Nobody a me a. That me a say. Look how more we link up and we drink from for some of the case. That good, sir. That good, sir.
Yeah, man. More than good, my general.
Look how more. See? Pick up yourself still.
The dog bite me. Yeah, man, the dog bite me on the foot side. See you, mate. Yeah, man.
Dog.
Yeah, me have to flash him off, so.
Dog.
Yeah, man.
Life was a person. Eh? She gone? Yo, I don't know, but just don't like a sister, you know. The spirit and the angel, them, you know, you just wrong. Feel like I want wrong. You just feel like I want possess dopey. One old woman dopey. With big eye, big head. Me don't know. You look like her, so
I know I say everybody wanted this to her, but you know, I have to go really do it because the girl I didn't understand her, you know.
What do you mean she don't want it?
She just have to push me. Yo. Me never really want to do her this, but now she just want too much. I have to get her out of the race.
You never want to do her this. A story time here, son, I have. Eh? Once upon a time, there was a rat, and the rat run for the cheese, and the cheese run away. Eh? And the cow jump over the moon. And then kind of story they have. Me talk about that we done, so we are dealing with it. Yeah, waste my time right now. Me tell you that straight and plain. So, how you go now? We never do it. Jesus, if you say me go beat one more time, I give you one more beat. Hey, listen to me, man. You know the thing set already, I can't settle me. When I beat, I have to settle my brain. I know everything alright. Me no drink rum from morning. When I go beat and go sick. Eh? So what's that gonna do? You want to check him out now?
That more I'm going to do right now. Are you? What, you're not working out? You're not going what happened?
What you mean say what? Me going to get on what?
Eh? You're not going to the work? Huh? Eh? You just watch my little money and my mission and I deal with it. You can't go back to work.
One hand can't clap. Clap one hand. You can't clap?
No, let me.
What me I say to you is when me wake up and me used to take care of you. So in that situation, you know, remember say me can't go back up to the hotel, you know. The hotel them say me can't come back up there until they clear off them review. Because then say they see me on the camera. One rasta down there and me I tell them say no, I know so you go. I want tourists to walk past. And them feel see me. Me want think for your teeth, but me never bother.
They say show me a friend and me tell them who you are. There's a damn thief right now. I feel like right now with the thief in, I feel like you're more professional than broke up. Yeah? You're more professional than been up. And that's why you're my friend because you're
me and him are no friend. Me and him are no friend.
You're my friend. That's
what you need to do is that ask him if me can give him back my chain, give him back my ring them and give him back my watch. And then we take time pay me payments. When that chest a box.
I'll be over there upon him the chain there.
What?
I'll be over there upon the chain the watch and the sitting because anybody with thief, people mash them up in a life. So you see how he said, a people be make you look so. A people make you foot and hand bend up so.
I'm tell you.
Here? So you see all the phone where you got thief, dirty rasta man? What? The phone where you got hotel got thief?
Me thief no phone. Me say me when go thief the phone. One the backside do you? Eh? Stinky pinky. Eh? But backside me thief phone. Eh?
Alright, vomit.
Me a vomit. But if me tell you why you be here, you know a thing what drunk on want? Eh? You ever know that thing there?
I know why you.
Eh?
I know why you.
Go find it.
I know why you. If you find it when you're right in front.
Go find your twin.
If you find it when you're right in front. See like, take me bogo.
Hey, move that dirty stinking self.
Yeah man, take me bogo.
This is your nasty.
Come.
If you ever touch me, you see, bite in your neck.
Yeah, tell me if you go find, you're right in front of me. Eh? Eh?
Where you going to do? Yeah, waste time right now. Go and check the man, man.
Yo.
Each time soon get late.
Forward with me.
Forward with me, I tell you what I'm going already.
You could I have for one part then. And I say, you know what? Me go box him down. You know why me go box him down? Me should go tell the girl say me and him do business. Me tell her.
You tell who?
He ain't go tell me sister say me and him deal with business.
Idiot. Idiot.
Watch me and him. So come. I got watch me and him.
Do we are doing no good here? Make me proud. It's time for we stop me. I'm tin mackerel now.
Make me proud?
Yeah.
Anytime I get the money, you don't know what I do with it.
What?
You?
What do you mean?
Out of my life.
What do you mean by that? Remember saying my idea, you know? I take your money and call police when you're ratted.
up, cause your teeth and they walk fast. Walk up.
Oh, fast I want to walk. I can't walk no fast. What talk about, man? What's going on now?
Here I go. Tonight, what I deal with it.
What time tonight?
Shut up now. You don't listen. More you deal with it tonight, but I'm up at the shop now. I'm clock. So come down when you get tonight. You understand? And a matter of fact too. Up here now walk.
Because
Up here now walk.
what you talk about?
All you go tell my sister say. Me have business I deal with.
You know, say she stop me. As
You
she,
don't understand?
as she stop me, you know. As she stop me.
What does she
Ask me, me know one brown girl in your pinky. I tell her, I said,
What
no.
You know, say you're lying.
As she stop me, ask me, say me know one brown girl in your pinky.
Listen to me. You see, whether she stop you or not, you never have no right to tell her, say, me, I don't know business. I hear? Me should just no make your bother do it and get somebody else.
But listen what I'm saying now. Here, sometimes you have to know to go around them and come and tell them lie.
Go on and come on and just
Me I gotta Western Union. I try to find out things that me make him know say me have nothing to do with. No transaction and me do it for you. No, say me go Western Union.
Yo, tappy nice, man. Tappy nice. You chat too much there, chat foolishness. When that they gone now, And you go and you go remember, so you tell him, say, me and you do business. Where you think she gonna start free? You don't have no sense. Yo, me case on left the roadside before nobody come see me and say, come.
So, Ascania run me.
Me not scan you.
So you run me, so?
Thief, I mean, no, them not catch you, they catch me. Go
No,
on,
them
go.
not catch you. If they catch Quacker, they catch his shirt.
Yo, don't be late, 8 o'clock. Yo,
How you go?
you ain't gone.
Gone where? Me agree upon you. If you come back, you have to tell me what I go on. How you go? I joke business in here.
I deal with him case, man. I'm telling you, if you come my yard, come down on my yard. 8 o'clock.
When, so you
Call me, call my sister and tell him, say, don't keep the money in the shop.
them call and have waste time backside. Just love waste time, start time soon get late. Shop soon.
Yo, me know why you come,
Make the car and tap nice.
like you want come overbeat me for my money, you know.
Over was beat the first money. I think what money?
For my money.
I pretend that never hear that.
See me, I tell her. Stop that no man. Annoy me, brother. No, not yet. No, I hear my business. Hey, yo, sis. Here what go on now, you see? You see, yeah, you hear me? Yeah, hello?
Hello, yes, it's me, I hear you.
Oh, sis, I don't know if I did hear about local news that they go on that day when they broke the shop and beat up the people them for their money. You remember the news there? What happened since recently? Boy, you know say, me hear say them a go out road and I have a strong feeling say you are going on. Where you keep him on night shop? No man. Sister, you have to go take him money from out of his shop. I have to go carry the money inside there, carry it to a bank, or you put it in the house. Call him a grown but no, you can't keep. Oh, you have to keep him on night shop. And you sleep in the house. Listen, you have to go move the money from out of the shop. Huh?
When me come down, me carry the rest of money. Because I need a bank today now.
Alright. I say, alright then, alright sis.
But you never answer me about the
No, I'm alright man. But you see, it get to me I know. Alright, later, watch out, signal. Yeah, fool. Eh?
Me excited.
Yeah, fool. Where they pause for you could even wait until me over phone.
You know, when I say we get you. Just not act like either now.
Eh?
Not act like you know no.
No, you're more idiot for me.
See, but you have to go follow her and make sure everything goes through. But talk to you damn about that man, the damn handicap. Go on. Me now go on now. Come on, Safa.
Who will watch at you? Better.
Oh, you mean go chat to me for organize? His son so set. Go on now.
So me a chat to him already. Or me a chat to him again pa?
I'm just excited.
So you idiot. When I walk up to him and say, eat a cock again.
I'm from man, I'm not drinking rum, you know.
One go be there for people. Stink.
You must stop that thing.
It's the best thing this could have ever done in your life.
I forgot one good advice. You drink today?
No, sis.
You're right, senses.
Me not drink today, I me not smoke neither.
You know what?
Me not smoke neither.
I went to this morning.
No, but me top smoke. After me smoke is my top.
Anyway, and Baba one minute.
You know something we need to fix the door, you know. It come like a creeper. Yeah.
You remember this morning one time since even time I said to you, me a guy bank go drop off money. Me no guy bank. Come when me reach to them man go tell me 1 minute wait. So me a beg him man say, sorry, me go in go just drop off the money and come back out. The man say no.
Exactly, sis. You see?
Eh?
You see exactly.
Oh, that could be exactly.
No, look, let me tell you how exactly it's gonna be right now. You see? Suppose when you go for your way to the bank, somebody around you.
Shut up, I'm not chat too much fat.
So 1 minute now you're late. It could keep your money until so you keep it in here. Keep it tonight. And then tomorrow morning you carry a bank.
Carry go a bank. So this is what me I say now.
So sis.
All I money them in this.
And that be just your answer. Oh, I am money. Run up money in there too.
Every money in there. Every money me
Perfect,
a
sis.
go bank early. As coffee in jars a morning. Me a go bank.
Perfect, sis. Perfect. Yes, sis.
You understand?
I have money in there.
No. Half I money in there. Cause it seems like something wrong with that ears. You did that drink? Yes or no? So why you still asking me if all that money? Me say the run big money in the shop.
Sis.
Yeah, no man, not touch me the bacteria and can you just see this? I know you call them jam palm. Your bacteria, you give me a
You know some me love your sister. Sister, you know if you don't want some man. You know some me love your sister. Right? You know some me love you and everything. Right? You know say me never have a sis. If me never have every day when I drink rum and to rum stacky, but to me have it and I'm alive, sis. Me feel safe and everything. You understand? So you don't have to worry yourself, sister man. You just know some me got you. Awa?
Your fever kind of high in your back.
You know me feel kind of high in back.
Because I don't understand how I'm going with you today, dear. Because I can't tell when last you tell me you love me and a sister.
Sis, when I see me go on, so I love a man, sister. You know, if it top is started, I thought we more drink or shop and smoke. Not drink out, sis. No, I will never do nothing like that.
Never do nothing like that.
I will never do that, sis.
You ever feel like something in your belly button, like you feel like something go wrong? I must have this I wrong this because
It come like Ida, sister, put up your money in a man, put up your money, put up your
Alright,
money.
go on there your room and put up your money.
Put up your money. Look, now turn on and lock me in. You lock me in.
So sister, no look. Where you say I go on now?
You can't look now?
Yeah, I can look now what you want. So sister. Where you say I go tap drink out to sit them in the shop now?
Me never did drink them out. Me pay back the money for them.
So me not see money when me check out start
Because you know look up underneath the book there so and there's some
And that which book? And that book when we take up and rent every time, you know?
me put money on there, you know see.
Which money you put on there?
Sister me say me put money under there today. You never take up the book. See you later that one there. Me put $10,000 underneath the book. You not take up it?
Take up about some saving and write something in this one. You know what you talk about? I don't know, but there's not going to accept other from you and me. So, explain yourself properly. Mine I put it somewhere else and feel this you put it. Come on,
No, you know, see you take up your money.
Me not take up no money, Pinky. Don't feel like you want to contact me for idiot. Me love money too much for know when time me a misplace money. You can't fool me with money. Don't try to do that, me an idiot.
Finally reached in the big mansion. I'm gonna sit on a comfortable bed, man. Hey, see? I can't got you in there. So. I want you to say there. Stop, man. Be crippled, is crying, man. Find it. Actually, I can't touch you with it. What is coming up?